Hello, and welcome back to our basic digital marketing course. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of building your digital marketing strategy. We'll explore key concepts and engage in some hands-on DIY tasks to reinforce what we learn. So, let's get started. The first thing is to understanding your target audience. The more you think connected, more you are able to figure out the right audience for you. To kick things off, let's talk about your target audience, the people you want to reach and engage with. Think of them as your potential customers, the ones who need what you offer. Your DIY task is to research and create buyer personas for your hypothetical business. Understanding your audience's preferences and pain points will help shape your marketing efforts for better results. Once done with the persona creation, move to setting clear goals and objectives for the business. Having clear goals is like having a roadmap for your digital marketing journey. Today's DIY task is to set SMART goals for your business. Remember, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting well-defined goals, you'll know where you're headed and how to get there. Now you have your audience set up and goals clear. Move ahead to choosing the right digital channels for publishing and promotions for the optimal growth of the business. Let's discuss the digital channels you can leverage to connect with your audience. Social media, content marketing, email search engines, and more. There are plenty of options. Your DIY task is to carefully evaluate each channel and choose the ones that align with your target audience and goals. Remember, it's not about being everywhere, but being where your right audience is. Once your list of platforms is ready, go ahead with the keywords, research, and start creating compelling content. Content is king in digital marketing. It's what grabs attention, educates, and inspires action. Your DIY task today is to create a content calendar for your hypothetical business. Plan out your content, blogs, videos, infographics for the next month, keeping your audience's interests and the platforms you choose in consideration. Once you start publishing, start implementing search engine optimization, SEO, strategies from day one. It's never early for SEO. SEO is like a secret weapon to improve your content website's visibility on search engines like Google, YouTube, Bing, Yandex, and more. Your task today is to line up the SEO task sheet for the same business. Follow SEO best practices and watch your content websites climb up the search rankings. Recommended to provide the project with some paid advertising budget. By utilizing paid advertising, you can create leads and goals for a quick initial start or growth booster. Paid advertising is another powerful tool to amplify your digital marketing efforts. Your DIY task is to create a basic PPC campaign on a platform of your choice. Define your target audience, choose relevant keywords, and set a budget. Set goals very clearly, focusing on the call to action. It's like putting your message on a digital billboard, on search platforms. Recommended utilizing social media marketing tactics like influencer marketing and more. Social media platforms are bustling hubs for engaging with your audience. Today's DIY task is to create eye-catching social media graphics or short video clips. Design them with free graphic tools or video editing software to make your brand shine to its true potential and hack the growth. Based on budgets, write a marketing email and populate it with the best practices. Email marketing remains a tried and true way to nurture leads and build relationships with customers. Your task is to draft a compelling marketing email for a special offer or promotion. Craft persuasive copy and add a clear call to action to encourage your audience to take the next step. Keep building your email customer database to mail them on offers and promotions and targeting while designing campaigns. When your cycle for publishing and promotion is designed, now consistent approach is the key to success. Regular analyze analytics data for all the platforms, including Google, social media, and business-specific platforms. Numbers speak volumes, and Google Analytics can reveal valuable insights about your website's performance. Today's DIY task is to access Google Analytics and analyze website traffic data. Discover where your audience comes from, what pages they love, and where improvements are needed. Find out the 404 and see the bounce rate. Now create a strategy presentation. Create a presentation that combines your findings from the tasks. Present your digital marketing strategy, goals, and tactics to a hypothetical client or team member for feedback and discussion. Well done, guys. We covered a lot today, and your DIY tasks will make you a digital marketing pro in no time. Find the task list in the description and toolkit link in the channel description. Remember, guys, practice makes perfect, so keep refining your strategy as you learn and grow. Thank you for joining our class today, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.